Hello and welcome to my allotment. Today I'm going to harvest nasturtiums and I'm also going to make capers from it. The interesting thing about nasturtiums is all of the plant is edible. I'm going to do my best to record this with one hand. These are my nasturtium. I actually have more on the other side, but I just want to show you something. So at the moment I'm actually harvesting the seeds. Now you can actually pickle the seeds as well, but I just want to show you how to harvest them. So if there's a bit of pull on it, they're not ready yet. So let me just see. You should be able to roll them between your fingers, and if they come off really easily, they are ready. These are also, oh no, they are. See the way they came out pretty easily? That's when you know they are perfect. So you just roll them slightly. If they come off, they're ready. Let's see if the guys behind here are ready as well. There are a lot. Roll them. Yep, these are ready as well. So as I said, if there's a bit of pull to them, like these guys here, no, they're not ready. When you get home, wash off your nasturtium capers, and then you want half and half of boiling water and vinegar mix. Pour on top of it, add whatever herbs of your choice. I have fennel here, and then seal it up, wait for 2 weeks, and it should be good to go.